Everyone is doing it wrong, don't be one of them. Have you ever heard an AI voice and be like, nah, exactly, it's not giving? I'm here to tell you that your seek has come to an end. Today we're diving into Fish Audio's recent innovation, which is the S1 model. I want to introduce you to this one in a million kind of platform. This video will give you details on what makes the S1 model special, how it works, and some of the new tricks and features. Make sure to check the links in the description for important links. You may find a surprise there. Now let's dive in. What is Fish Audio? Fish Audio is an advanced AI voice platform that focuses on high-quality voice cloning and realistic speech generation. It allows you to clone voices and even change emotions naturally in the middle of a sentence, making the audio sound very human and expressive. With access to over 200,000 voices, the platform offers infinite creative possibilities for content creators, developers, and businesses. Fish Audio also supports multiple languages, making it suitable for global audiences and multilingual projects. It's well known for its realistic non-robotic voices. Most listeners don't even realize that the voices are AI generated. That's a big deal if you're creating podcasts, faceless videos, or even applications. So next I'm going to put this latest S1 model to the test. Stick around. So this is the AI tool right here. And from the get-go you can see that the interface looks really good. Like I said, this is the best audio generator out there, because this audio generator doesn't just generate audio. It has a lot of features, and it has tools for cloning your voice, it has clues for fantasy roleplay, and it has tools for also generating speech. Over the course of this video, I'm going to show you how to use each and every one of these tools for completely free. So make sure you don't skip a step unless you might not be able to use it for completely free. So first thing we're going to be doing is testing out the clone your own voice. Just click clone your own voice and you'll be directed over to this interface. As you can see, the page looks really clean. Yeah, you can upload an audio file right here, or you can choose to record. And as you can see over here, in order to clone a voice, the voice audio has to be from 10 seconds to 30 seconds, which is minimum to good. And you can also go all the way up to 210 seconds. Yes, I'm sure you are surprised that this AI tool can clone your voice with only 10 seconds of audio. Yes, this is really impressive, and that's why I say this AI tool stands out among the rest, because unlike the others that will probably require 1 minute plus of audio, this AI tool clones your voice with just 10 seconds of audio. So like I said before, you can either choose to upload an audio file of your choice, or you can choose to record. So I'm just going to click on upload, and I'll be uploading this audio of Mickey Mouse. Remember, this can be any audio of your choice. As you can see, it's a little bit over 30 seconds, which is still good. Remember, it can be 10 seconds on the dots, and that will still work. So yeah, once you have everything uploaded and the good check mark is checked, just click on continue to details, and you'll be loaded into this interface, and what you want to do now is put in the name of your voice. So I'm just going to be saying, since this is a Mickey Mouse voice, I'll just type in this, just like that, and you can choose to put in a description. It's completely optional, so I'm just going to go with a voice for Mickey, just like that, and you can select tags that describe your voice. Remember, all these are optional, but it's best to do it so you can keep track of your audios. So I'm going to go with male soft energetic narrative and character. Yeah, with male soft energetic narrative and character. This is well enough to describe the specific character that I'm cloning their voice. So this works for me. And if you head over here, you can see that you can either choose from public, which means your voice will be open for every single one, using Fish Audio to make use of, or you can go with unlisted, which is also kind of like public, but in order for someone to use it, you have to share a link, or you can go with private. It means no one else except you can use it. I'm just gonna go with private because why not? And this is just the preview tab. Make sure everything looks perfect, and remember, you can change this image here if you want, but this works just fine for me. So just click on create. An AI tool begins to process our requests, and in no time it is done. The AI tool has generated our voice for us, and it has given us default sample of the voice. Let's take a look.
Oh boy, what a wonderful day to play with all my friends. Say, would you like to join me on a fun adventure? Hot dog, I just love when we get to explore together. Gosh, there's so much exciting stuff we can do.
That was really exactly what I wanted. It was perfect, subtle, and it sounded really accurate to Mickey Mouse. That's why I say this AI tool is one of the best audio generators out there. As you can see, this was really nice. So this will be automatically saved. So let's head over, and I'm going to be showing you how to use the text-to-speech feature. So just head over to text-to-speech, and you'll be directed to this interface. As you can see, the voice we generated earlier is automatically added onto here. So you can just type in a simple prompt like this. Just like that, and what you want to do next is select your text-to-speech model. I recommend going with S1, which is the latest and the most accurate, and you can play with the volume, speed, temperature, and many more. So once you have everything set to your preference, just click on Generate, Play, and the AI tool generates our voice in no time. Let's take a listen.
Subscribe to the channel for a free cook.
Really realistic, so I'm just going to clear this, and I'll type in something else. Something like this, and you can hit Regenerate and Play. And once again, it's done. Let's take a listen once again.
Boy, oh boy, I sure do love to be subscribed.
Really realistic, that's to show you how well this AI tool's cloning feature works. And if you click on this, you can see that that's not the only voice we can use. Yes, this AI tool has a wide variety of voices to use, from all the way from popular public models to popular public figures that we all know. Yes, you can use all these clone voices for free, and they sound really realistic. So for example, let's try out the Donald Trump voice. So I'm just going to click on Use Voice and we're going to regenerate this. But with this voice, so once again, make sure everything is set correctly and hit Regenerate. And it's done. Let's take a listen.
Folks, nobody knows noise better than me, believe me. These other companies, they're terrible, just terrible with noise. But we have the best technology, the absolute best. We're going to make everything so quiet, so beautiful, you won't believe it.
And wow, no way that was AI. As you can see, it was really realistic, and you can just download it straight into your device by just clicking on Download button, and it will be saved straight into your device. And that is why I say this AI tool is the best audio generator out there, beating all the popular paid ones, because this one does way more for way less. So if you click on Generation History, you can find all the generations you've ever used on this platform, which is very good for keeping track of audio generations. And if you head over to the Discovery tab, you'll see all the public models available for you to choose from. As you can see, there are lots and lots of models for you to choose from. That's to show how versatile this AI tool is. Lots and lots of voices. As you can see, make sure to check it out. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you love the video, make sure to like and subscribe, and of course the name of the AI tool is Fish Audio. Make sure to check out all the features from the voice cloning tool, the text-to-speech tool, and many more. Make sure to like and subscribe for more free AI tools like this.